So guys, I'm gonna order my first grab now. I'm gonna book it right now. Listen. Right, so I just had to verify myself, and then next you pick which type of transport you want. I'm gonna go with the motorbike today. Let's see how that goes. It's looking for a ride for me. I've never done this before. From now on, driver can see where you're waiting for. Right, so he's like 3 minutes away, so I need to go and get ready for him now. So I'm gonna go down and get ready. 1 sec. Okay, thank you so much. Where is it again? Where's the? It's here. Okay. Thank you.